Learn VRay to simulate real-world lighting and textures on your existing designs. VRay is a rendering engine that uses global illumination algorithms, path tracing, photon mapping, irradiance maps, and directly computed global illumination that are meant to add more realistic lighting to 3D scenes. These algorithms take into account not only the light that comes directly from a light source, but also light rays from the same source that are reflected by other surfaces in the scene. One of the desktop 3D applications supported by VRay is Autodesk 3ds Max. Take your designs to the next level. Learn VRay from us, online or offline, at one of our learning centers in Mumbai. Comment or call us at 98207 83311. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to be notified when our next video comes up.